Finally, I think I can make Grocer and Min believe that our little friends come from outer space. This here, we'll see if he can say this is a lie. Sweetie, where's the phone?
Neşe was talking with Zuzu.
Zuzu is coming! Zuzu is coming!
Oh, so this cake won't be enough for everyone.
Maybe you can ask Manny for the controller and make it larger, honey.
Mom, Dad, Zuzu is coming! I can't wait to tell her about our magnificent space trip!
That's perfect. But tell the story louder when the grocer comes, alrighty? He'll hear the story and see the photo, and then he'll believe us.
Oh, these are the photos of our trip. I'll be able to talk to her in a more skillful way now. Thanks so much, Dad!
Now wait, girl. Leave at least one of them. That is the proof that Manny and Minnie came from outer space now. I'm showing them to the grocer. Just you watch.
Hey, Daddy! Look! It was in my pocket!
A soft and light stone. Tell me what this is, Mutlu.
I think that it's a piece from one of the stones that we were jumping on!
This is actual proof.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside.